Hello everyone, as you can see we have another Star Wars The Black Series figure in front of us. This time it is the Elite Squad Trooper, and this is part of the Bad Batch line. Unfortunately, this is the only of the Bad Batch line that I have received thus far. I've tried going to Walmart, Target, GameStop, all the usual suspects. Cannot find anybody else. I was able to pre-order this through Target, however, and that's how I procured it. I ordered it a few months ago. So anyways, what we're going to do today is we're going to take a look at the outside of this box. We're going to go ahead and unbox this squad trooper. And then from there, we'll take a look at his articulation, take some pictures, come back, talk about some of the things that we liked or didn't like about the figure, maybe some things that we learned while we were taking pictures. And if you have any questions while I'm doing this, make sure to ask down below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. So let's go ahead and take a closer look at the Elite Squad Trooper. All right, so for me, this is going to be the first time I'm seeing the Bad Batch line. We've got the normal outside here. But we've got the new mural here with the red or crimson color there. As we go to the side, the back, I should say, we got the better imagery here of the Elite Squad Trooper. And then it says, after the formation of the Galactic Empire, a small group of highly skilled enlisted recruits is tasked with neutralizing anti-Imperial insurgents throughout the galaxy as a means to prove the effectiveness of conscripted soldiers. All right. And this is number 3 in the Bad Batch line, as you can see there. And then, again, just normal of the new Black Series box. I guess it's not new anymore. Should I stop saying that? I don't know. Anyways, all right, so let's go ahead and take them out of the box. As we do, we're going to go from the bottom. It's just typically easier to do that. And again, like I said, if you have any questions, let me know. Ask down below. Don't need that. All right. Definitely don't need that. And then it looks like we have our, looks like the traditional blaster, maybe a little bit shorter cartridge there. And then we got the figure here. I don't know about you guys, but I am super excited for the Bad Batch to start. All of the videos, or the the trailers have come out for it. I think there's 2 different trailers that come out. Anyways, all right, so I'm going to get everything cleaned up, and we'll take a closer look at this Elite Squad Trooper. All right, so now that I've got everything working here, we've got it all cleaned up, let's go ahead and take a look at the blaster. Like I said, this is basically the same blaster that we've seen before. Nothing too special about it. There's no extra detail, no extra color. It's just plastic, black plastic. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but that's what we've got. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at this guy now. As you can see, we've got green on the visor, as we'd expect. And if you kind of see under there, it looks like there's a face or a head sculpt there. I've had problems getting these off. I've gotten the helmets off a couple of times. I'm not going to do it on this one. If you guys have taken off the helmet, let me know in the description down below, what it is. And if you've got pictures, definitely send a link along with that as well. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at articulation. I think this is pretty much going to be a normal trooper, but we'll find out here. Head down, head up. Looks like we've got a double joint there. It is going to go full 360, obviously. Shoulders. I like the fact that that's loose, so we're going to be able to get pretty good motion there. As you can see, it's going to go above the 90. No movement at the upper arm, but we will get it just above the elbow. Oof. Careful there. Oh. Okay, well, that got a little stuck. I'm going to have to fix that. There we go. So just be careful as it does do the full 360 or above the elbow. We've got about a full 90 there. Just be careful of this because I could see that totally snapping. At the wrist, 360 again, and left, right. On the other side, I'm going to guess it's going to be very similar, except maybe an up-down. Yep, up-down on this guy. here as well. Okay, so torso, good torso movement. We've got our traditional belt. You're able to move it around a little bit. However, I believe it is affixed. As far as legs, you do have the upper thigh movement like you would expect. Knee, double jointed. Not going to be able to kick his own butt. All right, so that's really it. I mean, if you take a look, I mean, he's a trooper. He's definitely a trooper. All right, so that's all we've got here. Let's go ahead and take some pictures. And while I'm doing that, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed those pictures. It gave us a good look at the figure. Like I said before, very similar movement to previous troopers. Not a big surprise there. I was able to get him to do that kneeling pose really well. I hope I can replicate that. That's probably the best I've ever done. I don't know if it's the figure or if it's just the way I got him to pose, but I really like that. So anyways, as far as anything in particular, nothing really. I mean, you just got to be really careful with these guys in the elbows. I've seen them snap. Not on any of mine, but I have seen them happen. So yeah, I mean, nothing in particular. I do like the figure. If I see them on sale, I'll probably pick up a couple more because, I mean, they're going to look great, especially with the other Bad Batch figures as we add them. So yeah, if you have any questions, make sure to ask down below. If you're liking the video, give it a thumbs up. Just a little bit of housekeeping. I am going to be going to Hollywood Studios or Batu East for May the 4th. At least that's my plan right now. And I hope to do some live video for the first time from there. So if you're interested, let me know down in the description or down in the comments there if that is something that you're interested in me doing. That way I can answer questions while I'm there. I don't know if that's something that you guys are interested in. So anyways, so with that, I like the figure. I would definitely buy more if they were on sale. Articulation is about what you'd expect. So with that, if you do not already subscribe to the channel, I would invite you to do so. We do a lot of things on the channel that are Star Wars and Star Wars The Black Series related, but we do other things as well. As you just heard, we go to theme parks, especially going to Batu East or Galaxy's Edge. But we do a lot of other things as well, like home electronics and stuff like that as well. So if any of that interests you, I invite you to subscribe to the channel. And with that, have a great day.